Hi everyone. This video will show you how to edit a GIF quickly and easily. You can follow the step-by-step guide we provide to make your GIF attractive. Step 1. Open MiniTool MovieMaker and create a new project. Open MiniTool MovieMaker on your PC. Select the desired aspect ratio and create a new project. Step 2. Import a GIF and add it to the timeline. Click Import Media Files to import a GIF from your PC. Drag and drop the imported GIF to the timeline below. Step 3. Quick split the GIF. Drag the playhead on the timeline to where you want to split. Click the scissors icon on the toolbar and select Quick Split. Right-click the unwanted part of the GIF and select the Delete option. Step 4. Add text to GIF. Click the Text tab at the top of the main screen and select the Caption subtab on the left. Find the caption mode you like and click the plus sign to add it to the GIF. Go to Text Property and enter your text under the text editor. Customize the text, such as changing its font, size, color, and so on. Step 5. Add element to GIF. Click the Elements tab at the top of the main screen and look for the desired element from any of the sub-tabs on the left. Click the plus sign to add the selected element to the GIF. Go to Element Property to flip, rotate, or scale the element according to your requirements. Step 6. Flip or rotate the GIF. Click the GIF on the timeline to highlight it. Go to Video Property and click the Rotation tab. Click the Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical icon or drag the Rotate slider to flip or rotate the GIF. Step 7. Speed up or slow down the GIF and reverse it. Switch to the Speed tab. Drag the speed slider to the left or right to slow down or speed up the GIF. Check the reverse speed option to reverse the GIF. Click the play icon to watch the edited GIF. Step 8. Save the GIF. Click Export at the top right of the main screen to adjust the output settings. Rename the GIF. Select the GIF format. And set up the save path. Click the Export button to save the GIF. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.